Last time we showed you how Dell SUV leads in FPG number 1, number 2, and number 15 through amazing programs and green spaces. But even the British University of the Philippines gets beautiful cleaner.
In this follow-up, we'll address a transformation challenge on campus and propose a solution aligned with SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities.
Students often struggle with transportation inside the campus. Ikot Dasal helps, but it's not always enough.
At peak times, even in hot days, students walk from parking to class.
Parking near JFH, EPAH fills up fast. 40 students who park far, arriving late or even tired. That's why we propose an Imo Bike service. It's a campus-wide shared bicycle system for students.
Scan a QR code to reserve a bike, then present your school ID borrowed from hubs near CBA, JFH, and East-West campuses.
These hubs will have a secure rapid shade and a support tracking system. Will bike straight to your building. No more long walks or steps by parking. It reduces traffic, promotes fitness, and cuts emission while saving time and energy. We'll start with 10 to 15 bikes managed by students volunteers in the campus sustainability office. Students reserve our bike by scanning a QR code and entering their name and student ID.
When on use days, they need to show the confirmation and write down the bike number in a log while giving their ID to the staff, and when returning the bike, their ID will be back after the bike is being checked.
This simple system tracks usage and promotes responsibility. Students can also give their feedback to improve the system before launch. It's affordable, easy to run, and student-led.
Let's build a DLSUV that moves smarter and greener, one pedal at a time.
The Imo Bike Service isn't just a transportation. It's a step toward a more efficient, more connected, and more sustainable university. Be the change, be the movement, be Lasallian.